You have experienced the drill. You are having a great time outside and then you hear a wispy buzz sound or see a speck of black floats passing by your face. Then you see the small itchy welt caused by a mosquito bite on your elbow or ankle, causing itching. These bites can often cause small bumps that are uncomfortable and itchy. Now, when there are many methods to prevent mosquito bites like covering your body or using mosquito repellent, I'm here sharing with you the most uncomplicated and handy home remedies to get rid of mosquito bites. Let's get going. A recently published research claimed that applying banana peel on a mosquito bite can repress the irritation and swelling temporarily. Still, these home remedies are the most effective ways to avoid itchy mosquito bites. Number 1. Use ice. Ice always helps. Ice or something cold like cold water can help and provide relief from irritation and itching for the time being. Although ice doesn't dilute the saliva of the insect for temporary chilly relief, you can put a strap-on ice pack on the itchy area. Number 2. Oatmeal Paste. Oatmeal contains anti-irritant attributes and can relieve swelling and itching caused by the uncomfortable mosquito bite. Make a paste of oatmeal and water, put it onto a clean cloth and paste it over the mosquito bites for approximately 10 minutes. Then clean and wash the area. It will help in reducing the pain and itching. Number 3. Rub alcohol. Alcohol is beneficial for histamine response and itching reduction. You can easily carry alcohol wipes in your handbag. Alcohol dilutes the proteins in the insect saliva and removes the things that were stopping your immune system from reacting swelling and itching. Alcohol also provides a cooling and soothing effect over the swelled area of the skin. Number 4. Honey. Honey, like a sugary substance, is an ideal choice among the home remedy lovers because it offers several anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits. Honey is believed an efficient treatment for bruises, bumps, and sore throat. A small drop of honey on a mosquito bite can quash off the inflammation. It helps in reducing the desire to itch. Number 5. Calamine lotion. Calamine lotion is believed as a convenient solution to treat the swelled area. This pink solution can be soothing to mosquito bites as it exhibits anti-itch properties and contains zinc oxide. You can apply this solution several times a day to avoid the temptation to itch, and as it is handy, you can use it anytime. Number 6. Vinegar. People are using apple cider vinegar from centuries to remediate blood glucose issues and several infections. If you have a mosquito bite, apply vinegar on it. As a natural disinfectant, it can be beneficial in reducing the burning sensation and stinging. If you feel irritation, take a clean towel and soak it in a mixture of cold water and vinegar and then apply it on the bite. If you feel skin irritations, don't apply it again. Number 7. Aloe Vera. If you are a fan of natural home remedies, you must have known the various benefits of aloe vera gel. You can heal the mosquito bite by applying aloe vera on it. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera help in soothing the irritated skin and also reduce the redness. You can apply aloe vera gel many times on the bug bite or to heal any wound. Moreover, baking soda, onion water, basil leaves, thyme water, garlic water, witch hazel, chamomile tea are some other options you can apply to heal and get rid of mosquito bites. So, what remedies do you think will work faster and better than others? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.